Chitra Kumari Kalubovila passed away at the age of 68 while undergoing treatment for an illness. She joined the radio service in 1979 as a relief announcer and later became a popular presenter in the commercial division. Renowned for her exceptional auditory skills, she also made a mark as a news announcer. Captivating audiences with her articulate delivery. In addition, she earned admiration as a radio drama artist, a voice artist for films and stage plays, and as a master of ceremonies on public stages. At the time of her retirement, Chitra Kumari Kalubovila had served as the director at the Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation Commercial Division.